Hello everyone. Today's topic is ornithine cycle. The formation of urea always take place in the liver and it is produced from an amino acid arginine in the presence of arginase enzyme. Clementi was the first who pointed out the presence of arginase enzyme in the liver of ureotelic animals. The entire process of urea formation is carried out in the cyclic chain during which arginine is formed again and again by using ammonia. This cycle chain of a chemical reaction of urea formation is known as Krebs-Henselt cycle or Krebs and Henselt were the first who observed the cycle chain of chemical reaction of urea formation. Krebs-Henselt cycle is also known as ornithine cycle because ornithine amino acid take a vital role in the urea formation. During this cycle, ornithine first combines with ammonia and carbon dioxide so as to form citrulline and eliminate water. Citrulline thus produce combine with ammonia and water to form arginine, which is catalyzed in the presence of arginase enzyme to produce ornithine and urea. Ornithine once again combines with ammonia and carbon dioxide, and this repeat the cycle. Carbon dioxide and ammonia are introduced into the cycle by carrier molecules for the formation of which ATP is required. In this process, five steps take place. In first, ammonia react with bicarbonate in the presence of catalyzed carboamyl phosphate synthetase, and in this reaction step 2 ATP consume and end product produce carboamyl phosphate and 2 ATP convert into A2 ADP. The process take place in mitochondria. In second step, carboamyl phosphate play role of substrate and react with ornithine. In the presence of catalyzed ornithine transcarbamylase, zinc and biotin. This process also take place in mitochondria and end product of reaction is citrulline and phosphate, active phosphate. In third step, citrulline react with aspartate. Here also ATP consume. Here catalyze arginosuccinate synthetase. The process take place in cytosol and end product arginosuccinate. In this step, ATP convert into AMP adenosine monophosphate. In fourth step, arginosuccinate play role of substrate and in the presence of arginosuccinate lyase enzyme in cytosol convert into arginine and fumarate. In fifth step, arginine react with water molecule and in the presence of arginase first enzyme and manganese in cytosol convert into the ornithine and urea, which is excretory product. The whole process take place in mitochondria and cytosol. The entire process convert two amino acid group, one from ammonia and other from aspartate, and a carbon atom from bicarbonate to the relatively non-toxic exertion product urea. This occur at the cost of 4 high energy phosphate bond, 3 ATP hydrolyzed to 2 ADP and 1 AMP. The conversion from ammonia to urea happens in 5 main steps. The first is needed for ammonia to enter the cycle, and the following 4 are all a part of cycle itself. The enter the cycle, ammonia is converted to carboamyl phosphate. The urea cycle consists of 4 enzymic reactions, 1 mitochondrial and 3 cytosolic. This use 6 enzyme. Thank you for watching video.